Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Top Celebrity People.
Now we will show you Vin Diesel lifestyle, biography and more things in this video. I hope you will like this video. Vin Diesel, born Mark Sinclair, is an American actor, producer, director, and screenwriter who gained popularity with the role of Dominic Toretto in the Fast and the Furious franchise. Vin, also fondly called Dom, started his career as a stage actor, spending his entire teenage in theaters. It was Vin's home production movie Multifacial which grabbed director Steven Spielberg's attention, and he was so impressed that he rewrote part of his in-process movie Saving Private Ryan, just to have Vin in it. This basically marked his entry in Hollywood. If you love this video to the end, then don't forget subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more update. Vin Diesel biography. Born name, Mark Sinclair Vincent. Nickname, Diesel, Bouncer, Dom. Claim to fame, The Fast and the Furious. Occupation, actor, director, producer, and screenwriter. Years active, 1990 present. Ethnicity, multiracial, he has English, German, and Scottish ancestry on mom's side. Zodiac signs, Cancer. Date of birth, July 18, 1967, age 53 years. Place of birth, Alameda County, California, United States. Nationality, American. Religion, Roman Catholicism. Net worth, Vin Diesel is an American actor, director, writer and producer who has a net worth of $225 million. Education, Vin Diesel studied theater at Hunter College, New York, USA. Manager, Vin Diesel is signed to Brillstein Entertainment Partners. Brand endorsements, he has appeared in the print ad of Timex watches from 1999 to 2000. Vin has appeared in numerous TV commercials about Nose Energy Drink, Nike, Got Milk? And Up. Vin Diesel family details. Father, Irving Vincent, stepfather, acting instructor, theater manager. Mother, Delora Shirlene, psychiatrist, astrologer. Siblings, Paul, fraternal twin brother, film editor. Samantha Vincent, younger sister. Tim Vincent, younger brother. Vin Diesel physical stats. Body tips, bodybuilder. Height, 6 feet or 183 centimeters. Weight, 102 kilograms or 225 pounds. Body measurements, chest 46 in or 117 centimeters, waist 35 in or 89 centimeters, biceps 18 in or 46 centimeters. Eye color, dark brown. Hair color, Vin Diesel is bald. Distinctive features. Italian descent, deep voice, One Race Films founder, Tigan Studios founder, Racetrack Records founder, nice body. Vin Diesel professional debut. First film, Vin first appeared in drama film Awakenings in 1990 for his uncredited role as Orderly. Best known for his role in the Fast and the Furious series, in which Vin Diesel has acted in almost all parts, including first, third, guest appearance, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth part. Vin Diesel girlfriend name. Kaya Jones, Crystal Neria, known professionally as Kaya Jones, is a Canadian-born American singer and model. Michelle Rodriguez, 2001, Dom briefly dated as the Fast and the Furious co-star in 2001. Paloma Jimenez, 2007 present, Vin Diesel started dating Paloma Jimenez, a fashion model from Mexico in 2007, and are together since then. Vin Diesel unknown facts. Vin Diesel had worked as a bouncer in New York at the famous nightclubs, Tunnel and Mars. This was the time when he got his name as Vin Diesel. Vin Diesel was raised by his stepfather of African American descent. Diesel has never ever met his biological father. He likes to keep his life secret. Vin also has an Italian Mastiff named Roman. Vin Diesel had a crush on controversial actress turned reality TV star Anna Nicole Smith. Vin Diesel has been called a real-life hero as he saved a family from a flaming vehicle on September 9, 2002. His daughter, Pauline, has been named in the honor of the famous actor, Paul Walker, died in November 2013. Hania, Diesel's daughter, has an orange belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Judo. Diesel is the godfather of Paul Walker's daughter, Meadow Rain Walker. Vin Diesel is biracial, being half African American and half Italian American. At the age of 7, he first acted on stage. As per Forbes, he was the 5th highest paid actor of 2020 with $54 million in earnings. The number 1 spot was held by Dwayne Johnson. Vin Diesel favorite things. Favorite food, Italian. Favorite car, Corvette. Favorite music, Latin, techno. Accessories, hats, watches. Bands, Jackson 5. Movies, Fast 5. Vin Diesel house address. Vin Diesel lives in a luxurious house which is located in New York City, New York, USA.